Take a slow breath. Let your heart soften for a moment. If this message reached you, it is not by accident. Someone's name is sitting quietly inside your chest right now. You may not speak it out loud, but your heart keeps whispering it. Some connections don't fade, even when people walk away. Some feelings return not to hurt you, but to wake you up. And right now, your heart is listening. When a woman can't stop thinking about a man, 3 powerful things begin to happen to him. Let your mind quiet, because if you're drawn to this message, there is a reason. Someone is on your heart right now, and what you feel is not as random as you think. When a woman's thoughts return to the same man again and again, when his name echoes in her silence and his memory stays in her quiet moments, something unseen begins to move between souls. Energy does not move without purpose. Emotion does not repeat without meaning, and connection does not survive time without power. When a woman can't stop thinking about a man, she believes she is the one affected. But what she doesn't realize is this: he feels it first, even if he doesn't understand why. The thoughts she carries become vibrations, the longing becomes a silent message, and the emotional focus she places on him begins to touch his life in ways he cannot explain. Here are the 3 things that start happening to him when a woman cannot stop thinking about him. 1. He begins to feel her presence even when she is not there. This is the first and most subtle shift. It starts quietly. He may be going through his day, focused on work, lost in routine, unaware of anything changing. And then suddenly, his mind drifts. He sees something that reminds him of her. He hears a song that pulls up a memory. He pauses for no clear reason and wonders why her face crossed his mind. This is not coincidence. This is resonance. When a woman's emotions become deep and consistent, they create an emotional chord. It is not forced. It is built from sincerity, memory, feeling, and connection. Through this chord, he begins to feel her emotional presence even from far away. He may not say her name, but his thoughts circle back to her. Silence reminds him of her voice. Even when he tries to push the thoughts away, they return gently. He replays conversations. He rereads old messages. He wonders what she is doing at that exact moment. Sometimes he feels restless for no reason, other times calm when thinking of her. This is because her emotional focus creates a bridge, and through that bridge, feeling travels naturally. This is when he realizes someone left a mark on his heart. 2. His emotions begin to shift in ways he cannot control. This change goes deeper. When a woman can't stop thinking about a man, her thoughts carry emotion, hope, care, love, longing, concern. Those emotions begin to stir something inside him. His emotional walls weaken. His defenses grow thin. He starts noticing what he truly feels. He may question why he pulled away. He may feel guilt. He may miss her more than he expected. He compares other moments to how he felt with her. Her absence feels louder than before. Slowly, a truth forms in his heart. She affects me more than I admitted. Even if he stays silent, his heart begins a quiet conversation with hers. He feels nostalgic, vulnerable, protective, especially at night or in moments of loneliness. Thoughts like, why does she keep crossing my mind? I wonder if she still thinks about me. I should check on her, begin to appear. This is not weakness. This is awakening. Your emotional presence forces him to face feelings he buried. He starts understanding what you meant to him and what he meant to you. 3. He feels an inner pull to reconnect or protect the bond. This is the strongest phase. When thought turns into intention, he may resist it. He may call it nostalgia, but the pull remains. He wants to hear your voice. He checks your social media quietly. He writes messages and deletes them. He feels protective of you, even from a distance. Deep inside, he senses the connection is unfinished. Something was left unsaid. The story never fully closed. He realizes you are not easily replaced. Your energy still follows him. Sometimes he reaches out suddenly. Other times he waits, battling fear or pride. But the emotional pull does not disappear. Why this happens emotionally and spiritually? When a woman thinks of a man with sincerity, a subtle alignment forms. The mind sends intention, the heart sends emotion, and the soul sends energy. This doesn't need physical closeness. It works through feeling. That's why he thinks of you without trying, dreams of you unexpectedly, remembers moments he once ignored. This is not obsession, it is emotional alignment. But here is the truth most people don't say. Your thoughts should come from clarity, not desperation. Love should expand you, not trap you. Sometimes repeated thoughts are not about the other person. They are about healing, closure, or awakening inside you. And when you understand that, your power grows. If this message touched your heart, pause for a moment and be honest with yourself. Who came to your mind while listening? Not the person you want to think of, but the one who appeared without effort. That answer matters. Some connections don't return to be relived. They return to be understood. Maybe this is about love. Maybe it's about closure. Maybe it's about your growth. Don't ignore what your heart keeps showing you. Share this in the comments. Are you feeling this connection as peace or as pain? Your answer may help someone else feel less alone. Sometimes healing begins when we speak what we've been holding inside. Thanks for staying with me at last. So please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more mindset-changing videos, because this channel will grow with your supporting and your love.